All right, welcome to the unboxing of my Mounjaro travel kit. It's very nice, hard. You can see, comes with some little information in here, information about different types of foods and what their blood sugar is for insulin. It's where you can put up to 2 of your Mounjaro pens. Nice handy zipper, and then it has 2 of these gel ice packs along with some information in here and how to utilize it. This has got insulin storage guidelines, and then it has information about the travel and whatnot. So you want to put these in the freezer and get them nice and cold and frozen before you put them in here with your Mounjaro pen. Now, you also want to make sure that you have your prescription with you, because when you travel, if you don't have the prescription and you get stopped by TSA or the police for some reason, and there's no prescription, then they may take it away from you, which would not be good. And then, of course, a little handy strap. All right, that's it for your Mounjaro travel pack.